Okay, it has been a few days since I've gotten back to it. I did do a little bit off camera, which was just, patching up some of the not so good looking areas. So what I'm going to be doing now is sanding them, and then I'll be able to start putting it all together. So hopefully I've got the camera far enough so it doesn't end up getting too much dust. Now, fingers crossed. I've borrowed my husband's polish sander, and that's to make my life a lot easier. And I've got 240 grit sandpaper on that currently. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to quickly clean up that dust, and then I'll move on to the next part. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a jig for the castors that are going to go down on the bottom of the sheet. However, as you can recall, because I'm going to make it interchangeable, I also have to put it on the top, so I'll need to make sure that the holes are always in the same spot in order to make it work. So I've got a piece of plywood sitting on the table saw. I'm going to try and cut it so it's straight. So I've got a straight line. I'm going to make another straight line. I'm not worried about the other two sides because all I want is the straight lines, so that when I use the jig or template, whatever you want to call it, that it's always perfect with the board that we're putting the holes into. So what I've just done is I've marked my two sides. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our castors. I'm going to put it about the same spot, and we're going to mark them, then drill holes in them, and then we've got our jig, and I'll probably cut it a bit smaller then as well. Okay, so next part will be drilling the holes in, and then we're going to transfer it onto our board. So I've clamped the board to the bench, and I'm now going to drill some holes through it. And there we have a template, just like that. So what I'll probably do is measure from there to there, and then from there to there, and then cut this bit away as well, just to make life a little bit easier. Or what I also could do is mark these two edges so that I know, always, doesn't matter which side I use, where my template should be on the corner. So now we'll move on to the next stage. Okay, so I've got it all set up, ready to go. I'm using some corner clamps in order to put the panel into the right position. Now I've already got it set up, so what I'm going to do next is put some glue down, and then I'll grab the side panel, stick it in, tighten it up, check, make sure it's all square, and then I'm going to drive in the pocket hole screws.